My name is Deepak Mallya. I'm the executive sous chef at the Ritz Hotel in London. So I've been at the Ritz for 12 years. I just celebrated my 12th year anniversary on the 9th of January when I walked through the doors as an apprentice. I think the biggest benefit from staying here for 12 years it would be Chef John Williams, to be honest. For me, he's probably he's one of the greatest hotel chefs that there is. And that's one of the main reasons why I stayed, was to learn as much. When you have a fountain of knowledge, I just want to keep learning until it stops giving, and 12 years later it's still giving. So for me, that's one of the main reasons why I've stayed. The food has still got its classical roots. I think it always should and always will, as far as I'm concerned. In terms of, the kitchen was opened by Escoffier in 1906 along with César Ritz. The brigade is still divided into that closed classic sections. So the foundations are there to continue that classical cooking and have that basis in the dishes. I think the main evolution has been refinement, finesse, and I think the customers have changed as well. What the client wants, what the guest wants, what the customers want. I think that's their tastes have changed slightly, so we've had to evolve with that as well. Coming to the Ritz is an event. You have to dress up, jacket and tie for gentlemen and dress for women, no trainers, etc. And I just think that element of it makes it so special that to finish off the dishes, we need to have some luxury. I think it's kind of an expectation when you're sitting in that grand dining room, is to have the luxury. I actually tried to leave. I thought my time was up here at the Ritz. I had done what I wanted to achieve, and I thought I wanted to go see something else. And just before I left, 2 days before I was due to leave, Chef John Williams took me in the office and said, I want you to come back. I think you have a future here. I think you can, you have a lot more things that you can learn here, and etc. So I came back as Premier Chef de Partie. Within 6 months I was sous chef, which I did for 4 years. And around 2020, something like that, I was promoted to Premier Sous Chef. And now, just 4 months ago, I was promoted to Executive Sous Chef, where I am now. I think when you have someone as your boss who is so, even after all these years, 40 years in the industry, 20 years at the Ritz, to have that respect still for the business, it's exactly what you need to keep driving you every day.